First thing we're gonna do is drizzle some olive oil on our steak. Then, we're going all in with the salt. Go heavy and cover the top of the steak generously. Remember, some of it will fall off while it's grilling. Add a generous amount of paprika. Then use a brush to create a nice thick layer of marinade. Finally, flip that bad boy over and do the same thing on the other side and be sure it's fully coated. At this point, I'm ready to light the fire. First, we place a briquette and light it. Go ahead and add some kindling. Once your kindling starts burning, the next thing you want to do is place some large logs. Your firewood placement should be similar in structure to your kindling, either in a pyramid or log cabin shape. I'm going to let it burn down so that we can use the coals to cook over. This should take around 15 minutes. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes now. Let's spread those coals inside the pit to make sure we've got even heat distribution. Once that's done, we'll place the grill on top. Carefully lay down the steak, skin side down, onto the hot grill. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. That's the sound you want when you're cooking over fire. If you're not hearing that, your grill might need a bit more heat. This steak is going to take about 4 minutes per side. Check out the beautiful red hue all over the meat. It's my first time using paprika instead of black pepper. After about 4 minutes, you're going to come back to your steak and flip it. When you lift it, it should have this nice golden brown color. The dripping fat from the meat is what causes those flare-ups. As it hits the grill heat, it erupts into flames, infusing the steak with a smoky, charred flavor. Okay, for the next step, we'll slice a couple of lemons, grill them lightly to add some color and charm. This will sweeten them up a bit, and you can drizzle that juice over our steak once it's ready. A final rotation and the meat is done, for minutes per side, and it's got a nice golden brown color, a crispy, delicious steak. The most important part, you gotta let your meat sit for 5 to 7 minutes before you slice it. So, this is what it should look like. You should see the juices rendering out. After putting in all that work, it's time to enjoy. With my chef's knife, I'll follow the bone and slice up the whole piece. This looks amazing, cooked to a perfect medium rare, exactly how I like it.